Now we're going to talk about rounding with your calculator, and that involves the decimal selector, the F63210 selector. So the decimal selector will round answers to a pre-selected number of decimals. So if you were adding up a series of numbers, it does not round the numbers that you were adding. It only rounds the answer to the number of selected decimals. So let's do an example here. Make sure your decimal selector is set to F for floating, which it should be since that's the default setting. This, of course, will maximize the number of decimals. And then we're going to add these two numbers on your calculator. Pretty simple. And what did you get? So the proper sequence, asterisk 1.24 plus 1.25 plus, we're done. So we hit asterisk. The answer is 2.49. So no big surprise there. That's exactly what you expect. But now we're going to round the answer to one decimal. So to do that, set your decimal selector, the F63210 selector, to 1. Again, remember that this will round the answer. It does not round the numbers that you are entering to be added. It only rounds the final answer to one decimal. So go ahead and do the same problem again. Add 1.24 plus 1.25. And what did you get? Not the same answer as before. So the proper sequence is asterisk 1.24 plus 1.25 plus. Now it doesn't round anything until you get to the answer, and you're telling the calculator you're ready for the answer when you press the asterisk at the very end. So press asterisk at the end, and that's when the final answer will be rounded, in this case to one decimal. So you should get 2.5. So notice two things. By having the decimal selector set to 1, the calculator rounds the 2.49 answer to 2.5. And also, the answer is not rounded until you press the asterisk the second time. That's critical that you understand that.